Hi everyone. So I thought I would do a quick unboxing video before I started playing. And so right now I actually have my new Mercy TIara kits for this month, and it is Sweet Summer. And I removed the tag off the front and opened the box, but I literally haven't even done this part. See, there's my little tag. So I will remove that really quick. But everything is still in here and I have not even opened it yet. So I'm extremely excited to open this. So many gorgeous things. Oh my gosh. And I do know that this is here too. So I'm gonna set that aside really quick. So every month, obviously, you get your newsletter, gives you information about the kit and everything like that. Just like normal, it gives you a color palette. We're doing a design team spotlight, and this is Kat. Follow her on Instagram, she's awesome. Journaling prompts, things, you know, kit planning tools. It gives you little questions and stuff like that as well. Then there is the place for you to do your little sketches, more about journaling and what you plan. And then there's this month's sketch. So you get all of that every month in your newsletter. And then I've got pretties. Trying to figure out what I want to do first. I guess I'm going to do the main kit first. So Sweet Summer main kit. And I see the sequins, and I'm always excited about the sequins because they are absolutely gorgeous. I love these. The little stars and the colors, gorgeous. This month we also get some acrylic pieces. Sweet Summer, and then it says summer again. I love the tealy minty color it's in with the yellow. Gorgeous there as well. Sunflower Summer frames and tags from Carta Bella. See, I'll pull this forward really quick. I don't know if I'll go through everything. I don't want to make this too long, but look at the little chickens. They're so cute. And I like the fact that, yes, it pops out. And honestly, if you wanted to, you could cut that out with some X-Acto knife or something. Love that. Sunshine. I love the sunflowers. And this light blue tealy color. Again, another one pops out. I really do like these colors. I'm having a thing for bumblebees lately. I don't know. They're cute. But these sunflowers are just gorgeous. I like the little sayings. More yellow flowers. Some are sunflowers, some aren't. Cute little bitty ones. Another bumblebee. And a chicken. If I can grab it, I'll get to it eventually. More little tags. There's a little chicken. This one says thank you with a little brown chicken on it. Be the reason someone smiles today. That is too cute. Summer, another tag, and then this one also pops out as like a frame. So there's that, and that's in the main kit. You also get these Simple Stories color vibes. They're the foam alphas. I always make a ton of noise, I'm sorry. So you get the red ones here. They match really well with everything in the kit, and it's got everything on the, I love that it has the ampersands. I'm gonna be honest, I love having those. So yeah. Okay, so here we are with the papers. This is just the main kit. So one side will be this stripe, like the colors, and then there's the wood grain. And then here is flowers in the same colors. And then there's the, I guess it's a diamond pattern with little diamonds intersecting some of them. So there's that. Then there's this. I love the cute little flowers on there. They're really sweet. And then there's all these cut aparts. Look at the duck. There's little white polka dots on this pink with the little, you know, distress around the edge, and it looks like there's a stamp there. I do really like that. And then there's cakes. Helps if I have it up right side up. Little cakes on this side. This one has little mixers everywhere. And then it's got a green gingham on the other side, or plaid, whatever you want to call it. This one is a blue. It's not a cross. They're like in little teardrops, but they're really cute. They have the distressing as well, and the little stamp over here on the side, and then baked goods. And the cool thing is about this, if you don't want to use it for baked goods or anything like that, you have all these other options. The other sides are perfectly fine for other things as well. Love the red. It's gorgeous. And then there's the chickens. I want to play with the chickens. I don't know what I would do with the chickens. I don't have chickens yet. I will one day, but I don't have them yet. You get this pink with the cute little flowers. And then all these cut aparts. Look at those sunflowers. They're just gorgeous. These are pretty. Oh, see, I love that. Let's see. This is a cut apart as well. Plenty of things. You know, you can keep them as the little squares if you'd like to, or you can just cut out the pretty little things that are in it. And I can definitely see me cutting apart a bunch of things. And then there's the flowers all on the other side. Are they mums? They're not, I mean, I know they don't look like mums, but they kind of remind me of the flowers for fall. More sunflower. These are gorgeous. Look at the little mushrooms. Oh, I love that. Oh, and then there's the pretty light minty tealy color on the back. Ooh, I like this. This is a bit darker. It pulls in from some of the other papers and everything, but it's got a really cute pattern on it. I really like that. And then it's got the little baskets on the other side. Great for layering. Oh, I love all of this. And then this is the last paper in the main kit. And here's the, is it a plaid? It's like a grid. I really like that. And then you have the red plaid on the back. Oh, it's so pretty. And then you get the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet as well for just roll with it. And there's so, I love the little strips here. Kids can bake. I have plenty of pictures of my kids baking, so like a little duck. I love the duck. Okay, so that's the main kit. Sorry. I'm gonna set this to the side. I will grab the cardstock add-on really quick, and I will go through that. I'm having issues today. I can't hold on to things, so I apologize, but that's kind of a norm for me. Let me move this for a second. I'll set it behind me. So you get 2 of these textured cardstocks. This is black. It's the polka dots on one side and then just the black on the other. So you get 2 of those, and those are Simple Stories. These are also Simple Stories. They're in the color Oatmeal. So you get one with the polka dot and one without. And then this is Basil. What color is this? Cream Puff. It's textured as well. It does have a nice texture to it. So you get 2 cream puffs, and then you get 2 of these from Carta Bella. They're just teal. And they're the gorgeous teal color that's in the kit. So those will work well with everything. Just wait. There's more. I love this. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and open the embellishment add-on really quick. This is so cool. I love these. So you get a pack of these freckled fun puffy stickers. I love those. Stick those right up there. You also get a partial pack of the blue. Let's see here. These are, let's see, they say different things. Always take the scenic route. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Free to fly. Use your wings. Found objects. Be authentic. Be brave. And I don't think that everybody gets the exact same ones. So those were the ones that were in my embellishment add-on. Ooh. You get the little circle type font from Whatevs from American Crafts. So you get all those cute little things. And again, they have ampersands. I don't know if it's just me, but I enjoy having those in my alphas. They come in handy when you don't want to use the letters to write out and, because then you end up short with the A's. And anyways, and I like the @ symbol as well. So I really love these. I like the Whatevs collection anyways. So it's adorable. You also get these from Simple Stories. These are too cute. The foam stickers from Simple Vintage. So they come, you know, it's like rainbowed out. So it starts with the red and ends with the purple. I love that, which means it'll go with pretty much everything. And I love the little gingham hearts and the butterflies. Cute little tabs that say stuff. I like that a lot. And then you get the ephemera pack. I'm gonna pull it. It's a mess, y'all, so please don't hold it against me. But you get the ephemera pack from the Carta Bella Roll With It collection as well. So I'm going to pull these out. This one pops apart. The label does. So you get 2 pieces there. Life is short. Lick the bowl. My kids enjoy that. So there's a bunch of little tags or banner pieces. Baked with love. This little girl mixing. Kids can bake. I mean, there is all sorts of stuff. So cookies. Oh, I like it. I love the wood grain look to a lot of these. This one pops apart as well. Measuring spoons. Happiness is homemade. Just roll with it. Gotta bake. Oh, these are so cute. My daughter will see that and say we need to make macaroons. Let's see. Keep going here. Easy bake, sweet. And then this one pops out as well. I know this may sound stupid. I don't understand what the duck is sitting on the side of a pie. I've never done that, but there's the sticker in the other kit as well. But I think the duck is just adorable. So I don't know. I'll find a way to use it either way. Now this is the mixed media add-on this month. And so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out really quick. Oh, what's this? This is just a piece. Whoop, I'm going to throw things. It's a piece of American craft paper. And look at this. Look at those. You can use them all together, cut them out. It's collage paper. It's amazing. I was excited about these little guys. And then look, you get the whole sheet of those ones. Oh, wow. Look at the birds. There's that set of birds. And then there is also this set of sparrows. Oh, wow. Oh, and I love this. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have fun with these. That's like the alphabet. This is numbers and letters, I think. Yes, it is. Oh, I love that. Let's see. I'm going to pull it out of order from what it was. This is more letters. They're just all messed up together. Here is another one, different font completely than all the others. See if I can get these apart, y'all. It's hard for me, sorry. And then there's a whole nother font. This is so awesome. I love the typography. And then this has something wrote. I honestly cannot read what that says though, but it's still really cool. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. Then you also get this stencil. It's just words, I think. Let me make sure. I don't know what it's little birdie. Just says laser cut stencil, but it doesn't necessarily say what, if it's called something specific, but it's just like something wrote in cursive. I cannot read it. I can read cursive. I just cannot read that. So there's that. And then last but not least, there's the mixed media bunch add-on here. And I'm trying to get this open because she packages it so that things won't leak everywhere. So excuse the volume or the crinkling. I apologize. It's not wanting to come out of the bag. There it goes. So you get shimmers, and this is Pretty in Pink. It's a gorgeous spray. So you get that. And then you also get Creamies Ride the Tide. And with the Creamies, you have to add the water. So you'll just add some water on there and it will activate it. Sometimes if you want it to sit a little longer to get more pigment, you can do that as well. But they're gorgeous colors and they match the collection and the kits perfectly. So that's all of that, and I am going to go ahead and end this so I can go ahead and start playing. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to check out the check out YouTube and all the other designers. They are probably going to do unboxings. Some of them I know will do unboxings, and they'll be creating with this all month in August as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure to come back and check out what I create. Bye.